Hi, we're here with Jeff Ostrowski from Ford, and Jeff is going to demonstrate a new concept Ford came out with called Sync 3. Actually involves voice activation. Jeff, how do you voice activate your car? I would think that would be kind of tough.
It's a challenge, but what we do is we use readily available technologies to collect data from customer devices over Bluetooth, using our map data, etc. And we provide that data in a manner that's simple and easy to use via simply pressing the voice button on your steering wheel while you're driving. We want to keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road.
So it involves your smartphone as well as your car.
Correct. So what we allow you to do is do command and control of your Android device or your iPhone. We allow the ability to call your wife at home or at work, for example. Whatever's in your phone book through a message access profile Bluetooth connection, for example. We're also adding app link technology to Sync 3, which allows you to control your favorite applications from the iTunes Store or from Google, and be able to use the applications that you're used to using every day on your phone, and allowing those applications on your phone to be integrated into Sync when you connect, be able to do voice commands as well using the system.
That's great. We've got a little mock-up here behind us. Can you take us through a short demo?
Sure, no problem. So what you're seeing right now is the home screen. We have navigation in the left-hand side. Our customers really wanted to be able to see the route that they were driving during their driving experience. Media on the right upper-hand corner, and of course your phone connectivity on the right-hand corner. We have all of the feature domains or features in the system at the bottom of the screen, so that allows us to get quick access to a specific radio station that you want to listen to, a specific application on your phone, change your climate settings, or get somewhere and look for a specific restaurant that you want. So let me show you a little bit of the capability. So when we talk about sort of some of the touchscreen performance, you can see that we want to create it very fast for customers to be able to pinch and zoom, swipe, etc. Our navigation implementation, again, the ability to pinch and zoom really fast in the system allows you to see what where you're wanting to go. And then other things about setting a destination. We wanted the ability to allow customers to use very common interfaces like they do on the internet and others to search for things. And so we have a search function called One Box Destination Entry, and that allows you to put in a couple of words of what you want to see that's near you, and be able to pick up those locations in your area for a specific restaurant, for example. So we put in PF for PF Chang's, and we find PF Chang's very quickly in the system through search, and you're able to click on that and quickly route to the one that's closest to you.
How does the voice sync work?
So voice, basically using the steering wheel controls, you're able to get to specific media content, radio stations, etc., using very simplistic user commands. So what you're able to do is activate the voice button on the steering wheel here, and by using that, you're able to call out PF Chang's, for example, as a restaurant, even though that PF Chang's in its official name is, for example, PF Chang's China Bistro. So what we're able to do is break that down a bit in the system and allow you to access those specific points of interest that you may not know of the official name by, just by using your voice.
That's good. So you can't accidentally tell it to go jump in the lake and it'll go do that.
Correct. No. All of the commands are very customer focused. We've had over 22,000 pieces of customer feedback of things that customers wanted to be able to do, or things that they didn't want to be able to do. And so we've taken all of those pieces of feedback, as well as lots of user research in our Vertex lab back in Dearborn, on the road, in real driving scenarios with real customers, to get feedback on the system and provide the Sync 3 experience that you see today.
Great. That sounds like a lot of fun, Jeff. So I'm sure your drivers of the new Mustangs and other Ford cars that are going to have this are going to have a lot of fun with it.
Back since 2007, we're just delighted to be able to provide this technology to our customers. As you may or may not know, right, over 10 million Sync-enabled equipped vehicles on the road today across the world. And we'll be bringing Sync 3 to the market later this year. We're really excited to bring this level of technology to our customers.
That's great. Thanks, Jeff.
Yeah. Thank you.